Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and some cleaning cloths. You may also want to have a multimeter handy for testing the connections. First, unplug the Conga 1790 from the power source to ensure safety while working on it. Next, flip the device over to access the underside. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the bottom cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the cover is off, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for any visible damage, particularly around the wheel assembly. In our case, we noticed that the cable connecting the wheel to the main board has some broken lines. This is likely the cause of the malfunction. Now, carefully disconnect the damaged cable. Use the pliers to gently pull it out from its connector. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, it's time to replace the cable. You can find a compatible replacement online or at your local electronics store. Once you have the new cable, connect it to the wheel assembly and the main board, ensuring a secure fit. Before reassembling, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the device. Use a cleaning cloth to wipe down the internal components, especially around the wheel area. This will help maintain optimal performance. After cleaning, replace the bottom cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight to avoid any rattling during operation. Now, plug the Conga 1790 back into the power source and test the wheel functionality. If everything is working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your device. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. Finally, if you need a quote before repair, feel free to contact us. We're here to help you get your Conga 1790 back in working order without any hassle. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your repair needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.